Hey, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, welcome back. My name's Monica Janae. Yo, look, I gotta show y'all something real quick. This is so funny. Watch this, y'all. Watch it.
Tell the real why they really mad at me. Buy them stimulus checks.
I want to do a video on some makeup that I purchased. Like, if you know, at the end of the season, usually after December, well, after December 31st, everything in the stores go on sale, like, or even a little bit before then. I noticed, because I usually go into the stores after Christmas, but I noticed some stores have things on sale before Christmas. Like Target starts to clearance some of their some things out, and I usually, whenever I go to Target, I always go after Christmas and I go like to the makeup section, because usually that's what's, you know, a lot of makeup, they'll clearance it out. So I went to Target. I noticed before that they started clearance out some of the makeup before Christmas, but then I noticed that they, you know what I'm saying, I went and, you know, found some more things that were clearanced out after Christmas. So who's sending me messages? But anyway, you know what I mean, I purchased some items, and I purchased some stuff from Sephora. So Sephora also clearance out some of their makeup. They clearance out a lot of makeup, and I'm mad because I missed some things, and I was like, dang, I'm just take my chance and ask the associates, do y'all still got it? And they was like, no, and it sold out in stores and online. So, you know, I missed out. But I got a few things. A lot of the products, well, not a lot of the products, because I only got a little bit, but the products that I did get, the products are old now. I hope that the makeup that was clearanced out, which it probably is old on the you know, been sitting on the shelves for a while, I don't know. It has been open, so I'm thinking that it'll be okay. But the products are older products, you know what I'm saying? It's products that, you know, they were hot back then and now they not. So, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if Target was clearance. I don't know if Target was actually clearancing out the makeup, or was they clearancing the certain shades of makeup. I know some lines, like some makeup lines, they were like maybe clearancing out certain shades of lipstick, foundation, but I don't know if some of the things that I purchased is going to be completely clearanced out and they're no longer going to carry it, or what. But anyway, enough of me about talking about this. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I did my brows, so now I'm about to go into my foundation. And the foundation that I purchased is the Can't Stop Won't Stop from NYX. It's full coverage foundation. If anybody knows anything about this came out about 2 years ago. It released like 2 years ago, and it was a collaboration with Alyssa Ashley. She's YouTuber, Instagrammer, and I don't know if I got the right shade, baby, because I was kind of trying to do a little research. I got warm, what shade did I get? I got Warm Mahogany. This foundation came in a slew of shades, so I don't know. Hopefully I got the right thing. I don't know. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna go with one pump first and see. Take my beauty blender. It's okay for right now. So yeah, it's full coverage. Looks pretty good to me so far. Can't complain. So the next product I have is and I got this on Sephora, is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Instant Coverage. It's matte concealer. It's Peach Perfect Instant Coverage Matte Concealer. And honestly, I don't know about this. I know that Too Faced came out with the Born This Way. Well, they been had the Born This Way, but you know they extended the Born This Way collection. Oh, the line, the complexion line. Now I don't know about this peach. Of course, it didn't come in a lot of shades. The girl, when I went to Sephora, which I don't know how this is gonna work. This is looking really, really light. But the sales associate, she gave me this shade Peanut Butter because they were pretty much out of every other shade. And I think she's wanted to just give me something. She didn't, I didn't have to buy this. Like, it wasn't even that deep. If they didn't have my shade, it was whatever it was. It didn't even matter. But this was $11 for this product. In my last product, I paid $7. I think it was like $6. I paid $6, but it retails for like $15. And then I got this Too Faced. It retails for like $21, $22, and I got it for $11. But I don't know. I don't think this is really gonna work for me, but we're gonna try it. And it smells like peaches. Oh man, I took the wrong brush. Yeah, this is definitely too light. The thing is, I can't use this concealer, but I can use this as eyeshadow primer. This is definitely too light. Come on, girl, why would you do that to me? Why would you do that? Like, girl, I could have stayed to save them little $11. However, this won't go to waste. I'll just use it as I use it as a eyeshadow base. That's exactly what I can use it as. It smells really good though, but it's definitely this is definitely too light. This is hilarious. What the heck? This is for somebody that's Puerto Rican. I don't know why they gave me this. I'm looking at my monitor. It is not looking too bad, but it probably is a lot worse than what I'm thinking. This is looking a little bit too light. Okay, so I had to get some to contour with. Comment down below what you use to kind of contour with, because I want to know what people use to contour, like what products do you use to contour with, because I just feel like contour used to be like really important, like especially like to buy like the contour palettes and stuff like that. But I don't never hear anybody or see anybody talk about it anymore. I think people just take concealer, just about anything, just to contour with. I don't think the palettes and all those sticks and all that, I don't think that really matters anymore. I usually just take this what is this? Elf Camo concealer and just contour with it. So boom, I just used some Fenty banana powder. I'm looking very banana-ish in the face, looking like the inside of the banana in the face. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do some darkening up in here. We're gonna go ahead and bronze. So next, this is my eyeshadow real quick. I'm gonna use this. This is a Sigma Cordy Rosa. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but my aunt bought me this palette for Christmas. So I'm gonna use this. It kind of has like rose gold tone type eyeshadows. Sometimes I forget to like pat my makeup on. I feel like packing makeup on is literally the best way to get like color payoff. Sometimes I'll be doing this windshield wiper move and I'll be forgetting to like pack it on, because that's when you get like, you get the most out of the color. So I gotta remember to do that. And then blend. Pack and then blend. Pack on and then blend out. I ain't feel like I needed to do that on camera. I think we all know how to, I'm not gonna say we all know how to put lashes on, but we watched enough people put lashes on. So take some of this e.l.f. blush first, put this on, just like a little nude pink color, kind of give you little rosy cheeks, or you know, whatever. I just wanted to get a brown eyeliner because I wanted to line my lower lash. Like I always say this in my videos, I don't like to do lower lash all the time because it be looking kind of harsh. But if I was gonna do it, I would prefer to use a brown liner, not a black one, because I'm not trying like a raccoon. And some people, they won't do their top lash line, they'll do their lower lash line and won't have nothing. And I'm like, you looking like you just got into a bar fight, or you just doing a walk of shame? It's one of the two.
I'm talking to you. If you live at home with your mama, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. If you have a shorty but you don't show love, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money, oh no, I don't
But yeah, Target sells Minted now, which I love, because I love when online stores go into like standalone stores. Well, you know, go into stores and I don't have to pay for that shipping, because that's the part I don't like, is paying for shipping. So I like when, you know, online, you know, stores can, like products, you know, anything about online goes into the store. Love, because I ain't gotta pay for that shipping. That's what be killing me. So y'all, this is the oldie but goodie. I know a lot of people either like these lipsticks or they don't like them, but they were on sale. They were the NYX, the liquid lingerie lipsticks. Yo, I killed these when they first came out. These are two colors. I feel like I have exotic. I got exotic and I got, what's this one? Flirt. Bedtime. No. Bedtime Flirt. I got Bedtime Flirt and I got exotic. I don't care what nobody say. Yo, these names are the bomb. You just have to know how to wear them. Like, they're not for everybody. I get it. They're not for everybody. But I love them lipsticks when they came out. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna do Bedtime Flirt. Kind of goes everything. It's kind of like a nude pink. I really could have put either one of these colors on. Either one, I don't think it really mattered. But this one here, exotic, is like a red. You can't really see it. But yeah, these are old, but I got these on sale from Target. They were like $3, something like that, $3 a piece. Usually they're $7, maybe $8. So anyway, yeah, did that. This is my look. like my little clearance makeup. It came out pretty good. Not everything was clearance, I know, but really the most important parts were clearance. Like the I didn't get no eyeshadow. I wish I could have found some clearance eyeshadow. Couldn't find that, but at least I was able to get the complexion, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like, you know, if you never tried something and then, you know, you want to try and it's on sale, go grab it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for what I found and purchased. I feel like there's some other things that I purchased, but I might have left out this video. I don't know. I feel like I got covered the most important things that I want to cover, which was, like I said, the complexion. I'll be honest, I don't think I like this peach concealer. It was way too light, and I mean, it smelled really good, don't get me wrong, but I definitely can use it as a eyeshadow base. I mean, I feel like it's thick enough to use as an eyeshadow base, which I think I would do that with this, just so it won't go to waste. The NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, the shade, the color was, the shade was perfect. The coverage I don't know about. Maybe it was the concealer I used. My skin could just be bad right now because it is looking kind of, you know, dry and kind of like maybe it's because of the weather right now. I don't really have dry skin, but I do have psoriasis, so I'm starting to kind of break out a little bit, and I'm starting to break out my face, but other than that, it's kind of showing up, so but I look like that. But yeah, and of course I like the lipsticks. I always like them NYX lips, them liquid the liquid lingerie lipsticks. I know people say they dry or whatever, but if you put some, you know, some Vaseline, some lip gloss, or I mean not lip gloss, but like some chapstick, Vaseline, something like that, it won't dry your lips out, and it will, you know, stay on for the most part. I mean, it is a drugstore lipstick, so I mean that's what you have to expect. But anyway, hope you like my little clearance makeup look. I like it. I think it turned out good. But anyway, make sure before you leave this video, you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and leave a comment down below. Also, check out my other videos. It should be a video somewhere on one of these sides. Check them out, share them with your friends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.